Hello aspirants, welcome to the official YouTube channel of Career Path Siliguri. Hope you guys are preparing well for your upcoming exams. Today will be the fourth lecture of Banking Awareness series. Last class we discussed about the types of banking. अगर आप लोग वो वीडियो नहीं देखे हैं अब तक तो उसका लिंक आई बटन में प्रोवाइडेड है, आप लोग देख सकते हैं. Today we will discuss types of banks account. This topic is also important other than your exam. अब सब लोगों को पता होना चाहिए कि एक अकाउंट में क्या क्या फैसिलिटीज़ है, व्हाट आर द लिमिटेशन एंड मच मोर. सो डिटेल्स में डिस्कस करते हैं. सो लेट्स बिगिन. बिफोर स्टार्टिंग, एज ऑलवेज, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the notification for the latest video we upload. Like our pages on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, and join our Telegram channel for job notification, current affairs and daily quizzes. All the links are provided in the description box. First of all, one should know what is bank account. A bank account is a financial account maintained by a bank or other financial institution in which the financial transactions between bank and the customers are recorded. Each financial institution sets the terms and conditions for each types of account it's offered, which are classified such as deposit accounts, current account, loan account and many other types of accounts. Here, the deposit made by the customer is an asset for the account holder, whereas the same deposit is liability for the bank. Now, how to open a bank account or the procedures to open a bank account. First of all, check out the bank which provides you more facilities, which also includes higher rate of interest. Secondly, you need to visit the nearest branch of that bank. Next, fill the details in the account opening form. Next, some of the documents which are required to open a bank account are ID and address proof. Secondly, PAN card, and next, passport size photo. Documents may vary from bank to bank. Next, provide your mobile number and email to get notified for transaction alerts. Next, deposit the initial amount as required by the bank to activate the account. Bank will issue a passbook, a checkbook, ATM card as per the choices you made in the form. Now, coming to the main topic, that is types of bank account. There are mainly three types of bank accounts in India, which are usually offered by most banks. First of all, we have demand deposit. Under that, we have savings account and current account. Secondly, we have term deposit. Under that, we have fixed deposit and recurring deposit. And third one is non-resident deposit. Below that, you have non-resident external account, non-resident ordinary account, and foreign currency non-resident account. Now, what is demand deposit? Demand deposits, as the name suggests, are types of account that offers money accessibility on demand. They are usually easier to access but offer lower interest rates. There is no penalty or advance notice is not required to withdraw money from the demand deposit accounts. Under demand deposit, we have savings account. Savings account is the most common and basic types of bank accounts in India. It allows customer to deposit money and withdraw funds at your own convenience. The interest earned on the savings account is generally low. There are few types of savings account. Firstly, we have basic savings bank deposit account, that is BSBDA. This account can be opened by any individual provided he or she has valid KYC documents, that is, know your customer documents. This account is meant for the poorest section of the society to encourage them to start saving without any burden of charges or fees. Some facilities of this account is minimum balance is not required. Next, an individual is eligible to open only one BSBDA in one bank. Next, we have holders of BSBDA will not be eligible to open other savings account in that bank. Next, passbook and basic RuPay debit card will be provided. Next, 4 ATM transactions are allowed per month, excluding balance enquiries and mini statements. Lastly, there is no such restriction like age and income criteria for opening BSBDA account. Secondly, we have basic savings bank deposit small account. This account can be opened by any individual above 18 years old who do not have officially valid KYC documents. There are many restrictions in operation of the account due to relaxed KYC. Account can be converted into regular savings account upon submission of KYC documents. Some facilities of this type of accounts are: total credits should not exceed rupees 1 lakh in a year. Next, maximum balance should not exceed rupees 50,000 at any time. Next, the total of debits by way of cash withdrawals and transfer will not exceed rupees 10,000 in a month. Next, you can have 4 withdrawals per month. Next, a small account shall remain operational initially for a period of 12 months, and thereafter for further extension the applicant must submit the required document. Thirdly, we have regular savings bank account. Here, any resident individual are eligible for this account. In this account, mobile banking, internet banking, NEFT facilities are available. ATM card, passbook, checkbooks are issued. Nomination facilities also available. There is no limits on maximum balance, but the minimum balance varies from bank to bank. After savings account, we have current account. It enables frequent transactions, especially for those who are in the commercial activities. The account holder can avail of any number of transactions per day, an overdraft facility with a cap on agreed amount. Current account is no interest bearing deposit account with minimum balance requirement and a stipulated monthly average balance. Next, checkbook, mobile and internet banking are available. ATM card is free for the first month. There is no maximum limit. Nomination facility is available. Here, KYC, that is know your customer, is compulsory. After demand deposit, we have term deposit. Term deposit accounts are like investment for a fixed term. It allows depositing of money in the bank account for an agreed time and at a fixed interest rate. They generally range from 1 month to a few years. The interest rate on the term deposit accounts is generally more than demand deposit accounts. Under term deposit, we have fixed deposit and recurring deposit. Fixed deposit, which is also known as FD account. Here, minimum and maximum investment amount varies from bank to bank. One can invest in FD for minimum period of 7 days and for a maximum of 10 years. In case of any withdrawals before the maturity date, a penalty may be imposed by the bank on premature withdrawals. Secondly, we have recurring deposit. It refers to an account that provides the facility of savings a small amount of money for a certain period and also earn a higher rate of interest. Here, any individual above 10 years of age is eligible to open a recurring account. Here, minimum amount is rupees 100 per month. There is no maximum amount. Recurring deposit is classified into 3 types. 1. Short term. Here, period usually range between 6 months to 1 year. Secondly, we have medium term. Here, period usually range between 1 year to 5 years. And last one, long term. Here, period usually range from 5 years to 10 years. After demand deposit and term deposit, we have non-resident account. Non-resident bank account are those which are maintained by Indian national and persons of Indian origin residing abroad or foreign nationals or foreign companies in India. There are few types of NRI account. Firstly, non-resident external rupee account was first introduced in 1970s. NRI remits fund to India through a bank abroad that is transferring foreign earnings to India. NRI account can be opened as savings, current or term deposit. Account is rupee dominated. Interest earned is tax free. Secondly, we have non-resident ordinary rupee account. It is an account of a NRI to manage the income earned in India. Here the interest earned is taxable. Here you can deposit in foreign and as well as Indian currency and withdraw in Indian currency. Thirdly, we have foreign currency non-resident account, which is also known as FCNR account. An FCNR account is a term deposit account that can be maintained by NRIs in foreign currency. One can open an FCNR account for a minimum of 1 year and maximum of 5 years. Here, nomination facility is also available. Before ending, answer of last episode will be Bank of India which is the first Indian bank to open overseas branch in London in 1946. Today's question of the day is KYC identification number, that is KIN, consists of how many digits? Do post your answer in the comment section and please like and share this video. Thank you.